Students, I take up today IUPAC system of nomenclature. This is most modern system all over the world. But before knowing or applying this system for naming the organic compound, it is necessary to know about the root word, primary suffix and the secondary suffix. So I start with the abbreviation. IUPAC nomenclature. This abbreviation stands for I international, U union, P pure, A applied, C chemistry. So we call it as International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Before naming the organic compound, it is necessary to know number one, root word. Number two, primary suffix. And number three, secondary suffix. Number one, root word. Number two, primary suffix. And number three, secondary suffix. Now, root word. This represents the number of carbon atom in the main chain. What is main chain? The longest continuous chain of carbon atoms, whether it is straight or branched, is called main chain. The right number of carbon atoms in main chain, and here is root word. If carbon is 1, then root word is meth. If 2, root word is eth. 3, prop. 4, but. 5, pent. 6, hex. 7, hept. 8, oct. 9, non. 10, dec. 11, undec. 12, dodec. 13, tridec, and so on. Now come about the primary suffix. This suffix indicates whether the compound is saturated or unsaturated. There are three primary suffixes. One is "-ane", second is "-ine", and third is "-wine". So this suffix represents the saturation oblique unsaturation in the given compound. There are three primary suffix, namely "-ane". This is used when compound has only carbon-carbon single bond. Second, "-ine". This is used when compound has carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-carbon double bond, in addition to C single bond. And third one is "-wine". This suffix is used when compound has carbon-carbon triple bond, in addition to C single bond. Now third type of suffix is secondary suffix. This suffix is used when compound has one or more functional groups. Different functional groups have different suffix. Different functional group have different secondary suffix. For example, Here class of compound. Class of compound. Its functional group. And its secondary suffix. Secondary suffix. The class of compound alcohol represented as ROH, functional group OH, secondary suffix all. Aldehyde represented as RCHO, functional group CHO, secondary suffix al. Ketone RCO R is CO, functional group on or oxo. Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid represented as RCOOH, functional group COOH, secondary suffix oic acid. Carboxylic acid chloride. Carboxylic acid chloride RCOCl, functional group COCl, secondary suffix oil chloride. Ester COOR, its functional group is COOR, secondary suffix ot. With this sign RCN, alkyl cyanide. Alkyl cyanide RCN, functional group CN. This is nitrile. NH2 amine, alkyl amine. This is NH2 polyamine. This compound is ether. This is represented as ROR. This functional group is OR. This is alkoxy alkane. Alkoxy alkane. And ORX halogen, alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. This is X, no secondary suffix. So I have taken as an example some of these class of compounds, its functional group and its secondary suffix. Now in my next lecture I will discuss the nomenclature in real sense using root word, primary suffix and secondary suffix. Thank you.